District level research in Mali, India, and Pakistan. Now, let us look at the examples of some research at district level from Mali, India, and Pakistan. So you have this case of southern Mali. There was this ethnographic study conducted over there, and there was an in-depth comparison of 4 communities. ख्याल कीजिएगा कि when you conduct an ethnographic study, that means that you actually have to go there and stay there, live with these communities for at least 6 months or 3 months, and at times ethnographers live there for more than a year also. So these are very in-depth studies. And what they realized over here in these 4 communities, that women's literacy was affected by the role of culture and religion. So women, how much interest women were taking in the literacy program, how much how much space they were given to attend schools. This all depended on the culture and religion of the places, which was very stringent and made it very difficult for the women to pursue literacy or education. Then we have this case of Gujarat. This was again an ethnographic study. The research looked at 3 areas in a district. What this research was looking at was the diversity of primary schools within a district. So to capture that diversity, what the researchers did was that they took one school from urban area, a rural area, and the other from tribal areas. So they had these comparisons of urban, rural, and tribal areas. What the outcome of the result of the study was that they realized that for policy making, the context of a given place must be taken into account, because in this district there were present a lot of sub-district variation was present there. So there was a lot of heterogeneity. And this recognition is very, very important if educational policy or any educational intervention is to be successful. Let's take the example of Pakistan. So this research was conducted taking into account 9 districts of Punjab. So what they wanted to look at was the quality of education in public and private schools at secondary level. The research indicated certain similarities that occurred across these 9 districts. अब उन similarities में इन्होंने ये देखा कि जो private schools थे, they were better in infrastructure, they were better in having more academically qualified heads, academic and professional teachers. So these were better over there. The staff was more trained. लेकिन in both the sectors, that is आपका public sector और आपका private sector में एक issue ये था कि the opportunities for professional development were constrained. So इसमें उन दोनों में कोई खास फर्क नहीं था. Both of them suffered from having credible examination systems. जो उनका inter-school एक क्लास से दूसरी क्लास में जाने का examination system था, वो बहुत ज़्यादा sound नहीं था. And they realized that the textbooks they were using were not adequate to match the curriculum objectives that had been set. So curriculum objectives आपके कुछ और कह रहे थे और आपने जो textbooks वहाँ पे use कर रहे थे वो फर्क थी. So आपने देखा कि सब district level पे जब आप comparisons करते हो तो you come across a lot of things that you might miss when you are doing it at a micro level. उसमें आप similarities भी आपको नजर आती हैं, तो आपको अंदाजा हो जाता है कि ये जो issue इस स्कूल में या इस जगह पे नजर आ रहा है वो कितना widespread है within this district. और उसमें आपको differences भी पता लग जाते हैं अगर आप उसको बहुत ज्यादा minutely देखें तो.